So the next topic of factorization is difference of two squares. Okay, so your question will be of the form a square minus b square, and it directly gets factorized in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Okay, the difference of two squares is equal to the product of sum of the two numbers and the difference of two numbers. Example दूं एक. Suppose we have got 25x square minus 81. अगर इसको फैक्टराइज करना है, कुछ भी कॉमन तो है नहीं. कॉमन है आदित्य कुछ?
नो.
कॉमन नहीं है, राइट? सो हम लोग 25x स्क्वायर को लिखेंगे 5x द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 81 को लिखेंगे 9 स्क्वायर. नाउ दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिफरेंस ऑफ टू स्क्वायर्स. So you can write it as 5x plus 9 and 5x minus 9, no squares. Did you understand this? तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, अभी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस देखोगे तुम, डिफरेंस ऑफ टू स्क्वायर्स होंगे, लेकिन यू हैव टू फर्स्ट टेक आउट कॉमन एंड देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई डिफरेंस ऑफ टू स्क्वायर्स. थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेट होगा. लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चन सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड इन अ बेटर वे. चलो, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Factorize 16x square minus 25y square. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
how
Sir,
to solve this?
so that would be that would be 4x minus
4x the
5.
whole square.
Yeah, 4x the whole square minus 5y whole square.
Okay.
Yeah, then 4x minus 5y in one bracket and another
4x
bracket.
plus 5y into
Yeah,
4x
4x
minus
minus
5y.
5. Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
See the second one, very interesting. 2x square minus 50. Is there anything common between both the terms? Yeah, there is.
Yes, sir. 2.
2 is common.
Yeah,
And
2 is
then you're left inside with x square minus.
minus 25.
Now you can write it as x square minus 5 square, which is 2 bracket x plus 5, x minus 5.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Can you tell me, Aditya, the third one, how to do it? X cube minus x.
Yes, sir. Sir, so we can take x as common. So it will be x square minus 1.
Okay, next step.
Yeah. Then it will be x. Yeah, x will be outside here. So x plus 1, x minus 1.
Very good, because 1 is nothing but 1 square. So
Yeah,
we'll write it as x plus 1, x minus 1.
x minus 1.
Clear? This
Yes.
method is clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move ahead to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, for the first one, do we multiply first?
No need to multiply. No need to multiply. See, I'll show you. So we have 1 minus 64 bracket 3x minus 5y the whole square. Okay, so we write it as 1 square minus 8 bracket 3x minus 5y the whole put into bracket and squared.
Okay.
Do you understand that step?
Yes.
So ये आ गया ना a square minus b square के फॉर्म में.
Yes.
You just have to identify what is a and what is b. If you identify, then it's very easy to get the answer. Right, so this will be 1 plus 8 bracket 3x minus 5y and 1 minus 8 bracket 3x minus 5y. That is 1 plus 24x minus 40y and 1 minus 24x plus 40y.
So the sign of the 3x minus 5y wasn't changed in the second step.
What are you saying?
So like 1 plus 8 and then inside and then again inside the bracket it's 3x minus 5 and same for that one.
Yeah,
So like okay.
this
Okay,
sign
we'll do
will not change. The sign which is going to change is this one. Yeah,
okay.
and then when you multiply, this 8x, sorry, 8 into 3x will be plus 24x, and plus 8 into minus 5y is minus 40y. When you
Okay.
multiply minus 8 with 3x will be minus 24x, and minus 8 into minus 5y will be plus 40y.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yes.
Okay, the next one. The question is 16 bracket a plus 6b the whole square minus 9 bracket a minus 3b the whole square. Tanush, can you tell me how to write it? Okay, 4. Okay. Then we have to put the whole thing in another bracket and square it, and minus. Mm-hmm. Correct. And then I will write it as 4a plus 24b. No. Yeah, you can write. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can write. ठीक है. Minus. हाँ. Minus 9b ना. Hmm. Yes, Aditya, can you tell me what will be the next step?
Yes, sir. Sir, then we'll take out the yeah, take out that common factor. I mean the
Mm,
squares. I mean the square root.
yeah,
Yeah, square.
not square root. हाँ, तो tell me now what to write.
Sir, two. Sir, for okay.
See, this term, whichever is there inside, is already squared. Okay, so you will simply write this term 4a plus 24b. You will not make any change with it. Plus, you will add 3a minus 9b with it, and then close the bracket. Then you will open another bracket, write 4a plus 24b, and then you'll put minus sign, and then you'll open one small bracket, because whenever you put minus sign, the next term, if it has got more than one terms, then you have to put it in bracket, that is 3a minus 9b, and close the bracket. So this is nothing but a plus b and a minus b. Did you understand, Aditya?
Yes, yes.
You recognize this is b. ये जो ब्लू में मैंने हाईलाइट किया है वो b है, और येलो में हाईलाइट किया है वो a है. तो a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. ठीक है. Now I will simplify it further. Cannot leave it here. I have to simplify it further. Okay. 4a plus 3a is 7a. Very good. 24b minus 9b plus 15b.
15.
Okay, and here it will become 4a minus 3a
So A
and 24b plus 9b,
33.
33b, 24 plus 9. Aditya, please note it down.
Yes.
हाँ, देख के सारे आंसर ढूंढो और लिखो। डन आदित्य?
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah, no, just one more, sir. Yes, sir.
Tanush, can you help me with the first one? 2a raised to 5 minus 32a. Okay, we'll take common as a then. Okay, 2 and a both will come out. What will be left inside? Minus 16.
6.
Because a went out, 2 went out as a factor. So 16 will be left inside. Aditya, anything else?
Yes, so now we can take out the squares, which is a square minus 4.
What can I write? Like how can I write?
Uh, Sir, couldn't hear me?
No, you tell me again.
Sir, a square minus 4.
A square, the
Yeah,
whole
minus.
square,
Oh, yeah, whole
minus
square.
4,
The
the
whole
whole
square.
square.
Yeah.
You can't just write a square minus 4. You have to see it is a raised to 4. So a raised to 4 has to be expressed in terms of a perfect square. And
Yes.
16 is 4 square.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Tell me next.
2a, yeah, then it will be a minus 4, and another bracket will be a plus 4.
No. It will be a square plus 4 and a square minus 4. Aditya, please understand that your term, which is actually the
Oh, yeah, okay.
formula, is under the
Yeah,
square, that is a
yeah.
square and 4. That has to be
Okay.
expressed in terms of the sum and difference,
Yes.
and
Okay,
its
sir.
product has to be written. But
Okay, sir.
this is not completely factorized. Is there any one more step which is required? This is not completely factorized. और एक step लगेगा. नहीं? 2a bracket a square plus 4, nothing can be done. But this can be written as a square minus 2 square. Difference of two squares. So this will be, that is not difference of two squares. This identity works only on difference of two squares. There should be two perfect squares and a minus sign in between. Otherwise this identity will not work. Okay, so this will be a square plus 4. A square minus 2 will be a plus 2 bracket a minus 2. That's it. This is complete factorization. Do you realize this, Aditya?
Yes, sir. Now I get it. Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, second one has to be done by you. So a raised to 4 minus 1 by 625. Try. Yeah, tell me. Do it now in the notebook.
Sir, 625 square. Okay. So is it 25 is square? 625.
You're asking me or telling me?
Sir, asking.
Don't ask me. This you should know why you're asking.
Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. minus 1 by 25 square. Do complete factorization. क्या पूरा पेपर लिख दिया? पूरा पेपर? अच्छा लेके आ, मैं चेक करूँ. Yes, Tanush, tell me first. You tell me. प्लस क्यों? माइनस ना. अच्छा पहले तो इसको ऐसे लिखो, ए स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बाई 25 द होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है, अब क्या लिखोगे? नहीं, ए स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई 25 एंड ए स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बाई 25. Aditya, can you tell the next step?
Yes. Yes. A square plus 1 by 25. Yeah. Yeah. The next bracket will be a plus 1 by 5, and the next.
You can write it as a the whole square minus 1 by 5 the whole square.
Okay.
So a square plus 1 by 25. This will become a plus 1 by 5 and a minus 1 by 5. This is complete factorization. Aditya, was it correct or?
Yeah, I got it. I got it correct. I got it correct, sir.
Okay. Let's do the third one. Let me just erase this. 1 by 4 times x plus y the whole square minus 9 by 16 times x minus y the whole square. No, you can write it as x plus y by 2 the whole square. X plus y the whole square. The square goes up and this 4 is a square of 2. So 4 is written in the bottom of x plus y, and then it is written in the square root form, and then you square the whole thing. Similarly, this will become 3 bracket x minus y by 4 the whole square. So it will be x plus y by 2 plus 3 bracket x minus y by 4 and no y square. This, yeah, x plus y by 2 minus 3 bracket x minus y by 4. 2 2s are 4 1s are, because you have to simplify na? You cannot leave it here as it is. Okay, so this will become 2x plus 2y plus 3x minus 3y the whole divided by 4 times 2x plus 2y minus 3x plus 3y the whole divided by 4. So this 4 and 4 will get multiplied and you can take it outside. So 1 by 16 times 2x plus 3x is 5x, 2y minus 3y is minus y. In the second bracket 2x minus 3x is, and 2y plus 3y is, this is the thing.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Done. Next. Wow. Zero point 0081 a raised to 4 minus 0.0016 b raised to 4. This is 0.09 a square the whole square minus 0.04 b square the whole square. This will be 0.09 a square plus 0.04 b square, and the other one will be 0.09 a square minus 0.04 b square. Okay, now see here you will find the difference of two squares. Here you cannot, in the first bracket you cannot do anything, but in the second bracket you can still further factorize like this. So this will be 0.09 a square plus 0.04 b square, and this will become 0.3 a the whole square minus 0.2 b the whole square. So this will become 0.09 a square plus 0.04 b square. This will be 0.3 a plus 0.2 b, and the last one will be 0.3 a minus 0.2 b. Complete factorization.
Yes, sir. Done.
So always make sure you do complete factorization. Okay, you don't leave it in between. That is the main important thing. Okay, next question is x square minus a square plus 4a minus 4. So you have to do some grouping or something.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was thinking of that. So we can take 4a. No, ma'am, sir, I think it's already. No, it's not.
See, I'll tell you.
Oh,
X
yeah.
square plus 4a minus a square minus 4. Okay, these three terms will be together and 4 will be separate. So what I regrouped, I took 4a ahead and I took minus a square behind.
So what difference does it make?
I'll tell you, no? I'll show you in the next step, you'll understand. Just try to remember. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There is one more thing which you need to do, and that is without any regrouping. X square minus a square minus 4a plus 4. What did I do? I
So you
just
kept
I just took out this minus common and I wrote the last three terms in a bracket, changed all their signs. You know why? Now you will know. X square minus a square minus 2 into a into 2 plus 2 square. Do you realize now what is this formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. आदित्य, a square minus 2ab plus b square क्या होता है?
a minus b whole square.
Yes. So can I write it as x square minus a minus 2 the whole square?
Yes, sir.
And then can I, is it difference of two squares? Yes. So can I write it as x plus a minus 2 and x
Yeah.
minus a plus 2? Because when I write minus and open the bracket, this minus 2 will become plus 2. Wow, what a question. Amazing question. He is doing ICSE. He has decided to change the stream midway. And he has decided to leave the batch of CBSE and come into ICSE. Double admission actually. Your mom has given me free permission. Actually, I was going to teach you some 12th syllabus also, but then I thought, can I? तो मैं अभी तेरे को CBSE, ICSE, 9, 10 सब सिखाऊं. Bye. Where are you going? Okay. Okay. What work? You remember the party? No. While we are going out, we want to have a party with Dalu. Okay. We want to buy some Sprite and chips and coffee. कहाँ गया वो? मंडे को टेस्ट होगा, ऑनलाइन होगा, 8 CBSE. चलो.
अरे गलत है, ये नहीं आया, शायद गलत है. NH4 plus और
NH4 1 plus and PO 4 3 minus. So NH4 thrice PO4. NH4 thrice, NH4 के बाद ब्रैकेट, फिर नीचे 3, फिर PO4, फिर PO4. हाँ बस, और कुछ नहीं. NH4 thrice PO4.
और फिर ये डेफिनेशन सॉरी एटॉमिक
The ions which are formed from group of joined atoms are called compound ions. Okay. Example, which is made up of two types of atoms joined together. Yes, I. This is better. This is still, it makes sense. The earlier did not. Yes, sir. Mr. Aditya, are you okay with this or not?
learning this.
No, नहीं, टफ लगा तेरे को ये? क्वाड्रिलैटरल कभी करेगा तू? क्वाड्रिलैटरल उसमें भी तो गंदा मार्क्स आया तेरे को. तुम्हारी मर्जी है भाई, तुम देख लो. Some things I have to leave up to you ना. For all things I cannot spoon feed you. तुम्हें जब रियलाइज होगा आ जाना, तो we can do it this same way, but it's only your realization. I will not push you. Bye. Okay, next question is 1 minus 2ab minus a square plus b square. Tanush, can you give me at least one hint? What should I do to factorize this? Should I give you options? First option, don't do anything. Second option, Ignore this question and go ahead. Third option, I don't care. Fourth option, open all the brackets. Okay, great. Since you're so intelligent, so I will open all the brackets. 1 minus 2ab minus a square minus b square. Now, Aditya, how to regroup this to put some sense into this question?
Uh, sir, a square minus a square. Uh, sir, minus 2ab. Sir, okay, sir, I don't know.
अरे यार,
Sir, we'll take minus common, so
1 minus bracket 2ab plus a square plus b square. Yes, you are right. So this will be 1 minus a plus b the whole square. And 1 can be written as 1 square. So a square minus b square is a plus b, right? And 1 minus a minus b.
the last option was Sir, also for the third one, we'll open the brackets.
For this one?
Yeah, for the third
No.
one.
इतना इजी होता तो भाई
Yes.
हर एक में ब्रैकेट ओपन नहीं करना होता. Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, third one.
No, sir, I got it, I guess.
You got it, okay.
B,
ठीक है, एक मिनट. A square bracket b plus c minus b plus c the whole cube. Yes, Aditya, tell me what have you got?
yes, sir. Sir, we can take b plus c as common first. So yeah, and
B plus c I have taken as common, and what will be
yes.
left inside?
Inside e square minus 1.
Huh?
Sir, as the
अरे
I'm
b
trying
plus c बाहर गया है, यहाँ पे b plus c cube है. So b plus c the whole square will be left inside, huh?
yes, yes.
Now tell me Tanush.
So sir,
B plus c
a square a plus b plus c a minus b minus c.
करेक्ट. तो अंदर मैंने डिफरेंस ऑफ टू स्क्वायर्स वाली आइडेंटिटी लगा दी.
Yes, sir. Now I get it.
Are you getting how I change the signs over here?
Yeah, yes, sir. I do
Good.
get it. Yes.
Now you should be able to get because we are doing so many different types.
Okay.
ठीक है. So a bracket a minus 1 minus b bracket b minus 1. Tanush, what will do?
So we need to open the brackets first because
Correct.
it's not. Yeah.
So a into a is a square minus a minus b square plus b. Okay. Aditya, next.
So then we'll take a square minus b square together and minus a plus b.
Nice.
So,
See. This will become a square minus b square minus a minus b. Can I write it like this?
Yes.
I put it in bracket so that, you know, this becomes a minus b, and here I can factorize further.
Oh, yes, I okay.
So what will I get?
Sir, so you can also take a square minus b square also into bracket, so that be a.
Yeah, so it will become a plus b, a minus b,
yeah,
minus a minus b.
a
Now
minus b. Yeah.
taking out common.
Yeah, taking out common.
What will be common?
A minus.
And what will be left inside?
A plus B
-1.
minus 1. Yes.
नाइस क्वेश्चन सर. ये सब कुछ तुम लोगों को 9th में, 8th में भी है, बट तुम ये जो लेवल है दैट इज 9th क्लास, तो ये आना चाहिए. You just started or you did some? Oh. Are you getting the answers? Is that something Korean?
Yes, sir.
I figured. What is this Korean fetish nowadays, which is going on? What is that?
K-drama.
What do you?
K-pop and K-pop. Sir, that's like Indian music, there's Korean music. So sir, that's it.
BTS. Boy bands.
Yes, sir.
Boy band, na? It's a boy band. I thought boy band was, the concept was dead. ठीक है, I will be zipped about वो लोग क्या लगते हैं, because I know I can feel you. I don't want to feel you, but I feel your thoughts on that. No hard feelings for BTS fans, which are like in millions. BTS Army hashtag. क्या है यार? कोरिया का मुझे एक ही चीज पसंद है, that is their zombie movies.
Sir,
Zombie.
I like Netflix series of Korean.
Yeah,
Net-
Squid Game, of course, man.
Good game, yes. And also this Hellbound.
Hellbound देख लिया तूने?
Yes, it was
कैसा
actually
है? अच्छा
very
है?
good. Yes, it's very nice actually.
I'm planning to see very soon. Let's see. Have you seen Kingdom?
Kingdom. Oh, that resurrection thing. Yeah, I've seen
Oh,
that.
that's amazing. Very nice. Korean Kingdom. ठीक है. Like, subscribe, and share for more such gossips. In between your study sessions, we completely distract you because we don't give a shit about what you're scoring in school.
Now we got edited now.
पेरेंट्स ऐसे बंद कर, क्या दिख रहा है? बंद कर, जल्दी बंद कर इसको. इस आदमी का साया भी नहीं पड़ना चाहिए तेरे ऊपर. जल्दी जल्दी बंद बंद बंद. इवैल्यूएट कैसे करेंगे इसको?
Sir, we'll take the squares again. Square roots, I mean, not squares.
No square root, nothing. It's just 975 plus 25 and into 975 minus 25.
Oh, okay.
सही है ना?
So
स्क्वायर तो है ही ऑलरेडी, रूट
yeah,
क्यों लेना
yeah.
है? Why? You just have to evaluate, not simplify. Evaluate, find the value. So you first apply a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b is like 975 plus 25 is 1000 times this will be 950 and this will be 9500000. Yeah. Can you do the second one? Answer is here, but you need to do it.
Okay.
मेरा एक स्टूडेंट था ऐसे, इनफैक्ट ये एक स्टूडेंट हर क्लास में होता है. मैंने उसको एक क्वेश्चन दिया तो उसने यहाँ मतलब वो शुरू हो गया, मतलब बिना कुछ टाइम लगाए 98.5 इंटू 98.5 शुरू हो गया वो. मैं बोला रुक यार, रुक जा, इतना क्या, क्यों, तेरी लाइफ में इतने दर्द क्यों है, रुक जा तू. 98.5 plus 1.5 टाइम्स, मैंने फिर उसको ये बताया कि देख ऐसा करना होता है, तो ऐसा देख रहा था मेरे पास. ऐसा देख रहा था, पता नहीं कौन सा ड्रग्स ले लिया उसने। इतना इजी कैसे हो सकता है मैथ्स? 100 टाइम्स 97। ऐसे बच्चे जब मेहनत से आंसर लाते हैं स्क्वायर वेयर करके, मल्टीप्लाई करके, और फिर टीचर उसको रॉन्ग देती है ना, फिर ऐसा करके झगड़ा करने जाते हैं, क्यों काटा मेरा मार्क्स? ओके, योर टेक्स्ट हियर.
Your text. Oh,
This is the final part,
yeah.
and the name of this part, this method of factorization, is splitting.
Splitting the middle term.
क्या बात है यार.
Yes, sir. I actually like this thing, so
Okay, you like it. Okay, very nice.
because it's like we just need to separate the middle term by, yeah. But I don't know how to do it properly. I mean, I do get it wrong many times. Oh, quadratic. So isn't that in 10th?
Yeah, you are right. So this the type of equations na, where you do splitting the middle term, they are known as quadratic equations, and they are generally of the form ax square plus bx plus c. This is their standard form. ठीक है, जब भी ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन दिखेगा जिसमें 3 टर्म होगी, तो स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म करना है, क्योंकि कॉमन ले नहीं सकते, डिफरेंस ऑफ 2 स्क्वायर्स होगा नहीं, तो उसको स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म से फैक्टराइज करना. यू नो, आर यू अवेयर अबाउट दिस मेथड,
The
स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म?
3bx minus 2bx.
So how you know the other methods of factorization? Then what you doing? You are giving correct answers. How? Acha, like that. No, expansion.
No, like in the sense in school.
Okay.
I know of it.
ठीक है. So let me show you one question over here. Uh,
So like the only part that I'm confused with is that like what numbers do you take to like add or subtract the middle term?
I'll show you.
That's-
This is the first question, right?
Yes.
Now the first term of splitting the middle term to do the factorization of this particular equation is multiply the constant term with the coefficient of the squared term, or the term whose degree is 2. What is the coefficient here? What is the number which is multiplied? There is no number, so there is 1. Okay, so what you do is you multiply this 1 with this 49, and don't forget the signs. Okay, there is a sign here, plus sign, there is no sign here, that means that's also plus. So what you do is you multiply plus 49 and plus 1. What do you get? 49. Yeah, plus 49. Now you find the factors to 49. Now here your tables should be a little bit
7 square.
good.
7 and 7.
Nice. So 7 sevens are 49. And see. Why did you choose 7 sevens? Why nothing else? Because here in the middle term, you required plus 14. The coefficient of the middle term is 14, plus 14. So here if I put plus sign in front of both sevens, they will multiply with each other and give me plus 49. True. And if I add both of them, plus 7 times plus 7, I will get plus 14. That is also true. So these both conditions should be fulfilled. Aditya, are you getting the conditions? Conditions क्या है कि जो factor है वो जो मिडिल टर्म सॉरी जो प्रोडक्ट है तुम्हारा फाइनल लास्ट टर्म कांस्टेंट टर्म और कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर का, उसके जो दो फैक्टर्स हैं दे शुड ऐड अप टू और दे शुड सब्ट्रैक्ट to give the coefficient of the middle term, and the sign should also
Yes.
match. So with more examples you will be getting more idea, but as of now this is the thing which we have done in this question. ठीक है?
Okay. So that will be a square plus 7a plus
A
7b.
square plus 7a plus 7a. Why plus 7a plus 7a? Because that's what we are getting here. Plus 49.
Yes.
Yeah.
So then we'll take the
No. This one
So
49? No. See, now it is very easy because we have converted a question which had 3 terms into 4 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can do grouping. And then we can take out common. So what is common in first two terms? Sirf A. And in the first two terms. And what will be left inside? A plus 7.
plus 7.
And what is common in the last two terms? 7. What
7.
will be left inside?
Plus 7.
A plus 7. And
Oh.
what is common in the first two terms over here? A plus 7. And what will be left inside?
A plus 7.
That's it. This is your complete factorization.
Yes.
This is not a new chapter. This is ICSE. So Tanush is just, it is, he's just passing his time.
I thought he's in 9th.
No, he's in 8th only, but CBSE.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Aditya, many students have started coming. When will you
Sir,
get permission?
Sir, you can. So actually, my mother is still not allowing.
From
And my father, for some reason, why I don't know why, but he gave the news that to my mother that a new COVID variant has come. I mean, it has.
I know.
Yeah.
And he has a very dangerous name also. So you should be afraid.
Sir, I'm not afraid anymore. I don't even wear mask now while praying.
If you hear his name, his बोल रहा हूँ मैं. अब तो उसको मैंने gender भी दे दिया. If you hear its name, then you will be afraid. You will get nightmares.
Sir, it's so big name.
Yeah.
Hindi name. Okay.
So that is your homework. You have to find the new variant's name.
Sir, why homework? Why?
Villain.
Sir, but why homework?
No, it is general knowledge.
Okay.
So next time you want to, ignore someone, you can take that new variant's name and tell that I'm afraid of that. So you don't have to face some unpleasant people. But don't try it on me because I gave you the idea. So that will be very foolish if you tell me.
Yes.
So 9x square minus 30x plus 25. 9x square minus. So what did I do here?
So you have multiplied 25 or 9.
But before that I shifted 9x square to the front. Do you see that?
9x square into 2 or
9 into 25. The whole constant term will be multiplied with the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 9 and the constant term is 25. So we multiply 25 times 9. And 25 times 9 is 225.
Sir, 15. Yeah, 15. Yeah.
Now the factors of 225 to give us 30.
15 and 15.
So that's 15 square.
Yes, you are right. You both are right. 15 times 15 is 225 and 15 plus 15 is 30. But there is a problem. This 25 is plus and this 9 is also plus. So this 225 will be plus. And I want minus 30 as the coefficient of x. So I'm going to put minus sign here in front of both 15. So now if you ask yourself, what is minus 15 times minus 15? Plus 225. And what is minus 15 minus 15? Minus 30.
Minus 30.
Yeah, so both the conditions are fulfilled. The product of these two numbers give you exactly the product of the x square and the constant term with the sign, and the sum of these two numbers exactly gives you the middle term.
Yes.
Middle term.
Okay.
Coefficient of the middle term. So 9x square minus 15x minus 15x plus 25. Right? What we do is 9x square minus 15x. I think 3x will be taken out
Yeah.
and x will be left inside.
Yes, sir.
No, 3x will be left inside. You are right.
3x. Yeah.
Minus 5.
5.
What will be taken out common from the
3x minus 5.
no
3x. So 3x minus 5.
no what will be common? 5 minus 5 will be common.
Okay. Sir, I did it. Okay.
So 3x minus 5 will be left inside. Now what will be taken out common?
3x minus 5 into 3x minus 5.
Yes. तो वही अपने को चाहिए यार. Did you understand this? Splitting middle term मैंने बहुत ही हल्के फुल्के से आराम से किया है. ठीक है, बिल्कुल ही स्ट्रेस नहीं दिया है. मतलब फास्ट स्पीड में जाऊंगा तो I won't be able to explain much. If I want to explain, then I won't be able to complete much. Paradox. और एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं. स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल. ये स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म नहीं है रे. ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर वाले हैं. ये क्या मतलब. बट हमने किया स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म से, बट दीज आर द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर वाले फैक्टराइजेशन. दीज आर नॉट स्प्लिटिंग मिडल टर्म. वेट. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ट्राइनोमियल. फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ट्राइनोमियल है, और उसके बाद आता है स्प्लिटिंग द मिडल टर्म. सो वी आर ऑन द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर वाले. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए ना, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज द मेथड विच आई जस्ट शोड यू. No, the next method which I'm going to show you will be much easier. So the third question, 9z raised to 10 minus 12xy square z5 plus 4x square y raised to 4. See, this one's going to be interesting. So I told you that I'm not going to do it by some usual method. I will do it by some unusual method. It's not unusual. This is more usual than the unusual. So 3z raised to 5 the whole square. What did I do? I expressed the first term in the form of a perfect square. Minus, I will not write anything over here. Leave some big space, and I will write plus sign over here and write 2xy square the whole square. Do you see that in this expression the first term is a perfect square, and the last term is also a perfect square? Do you see that, Aditya? Now
Yes.
I will write it like this: 2 times 3z raised to 5 times 4x square y raised to 4. What? How? I'll tell you. Just multiply as I am indicating the numbers. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. Oh, I'm sorry. My bad. Yeah, it should be 2. It should be wrong. It should be 2xy square. Yes. Now multiply 2 times 3 times 2. 2 multiplied by 3, 6 2s are 12 into x into y square into z5. What you'll get? Do you get this middle term over here? So what is this format? This is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, isn't it? And what is a square minus 2ab plus b square?
A minus B whole square.
Yes.
A minus B.
तो डायरेक्ट फैक्टराइज तो हो गया ये, मतलब व्हाट वी डिड इज वी,
हो गया?
हाँ अब क्या करना है, इसको लिखना है 3z5 माइनस 2xy स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर, और इसको लिखना है 3z5 माइनस 2xy स्क्वायर, और एक बार 3z5 माइनस 2xy स्क्वायर। नहीं सही है, माइनस ही आएगा ना, इधर माइनस साइन है, a माइनस बी द होल स्क्वायर।
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Aditya, see you later. We'll
Bye,
continue
sir.
next time. Bye.